There's a great thing that you can do for your sons. Why are we focused on the boy? Because the boy is in trouble. He's only used for wars, games. We even throw boys away. We think men, this is what we should do with them. So today I want you to take your son by the hand. This is important. Look him in the eye and tell him that he is the most important thing to himself, because in order for him to be healthy, he has to believe in himself enough in order for you to activate his provision as a man, husband, and a father. It is at the boy level that we're failing our men, husbands, and fathers. Don't let the system win. Let your system guide your sons into the proper order. Therefore, it would silence the problems and the issues when they become fathers. Peace.